Hello friends, this is a video showing a triangular organ of our body present on the upper surface of the kidney and is named as the adrenal gland. The adrenal gland is an endocrine gland secreting its content, that is, the hormones, directly into the bloodstream. For better understanding, I have divided the description of the adrenal gland into 5 parts. So, come, let's learn about the adrenal gland. You are watching part 1 video about gross structure of adrenal gland. The adrenal glands are located on both sides of the body in the retroperitoneum, above and slightly medial to the kidneys. It measures 3 cm in width, 5 cm in length, and up to 1 cm in thickness. On cut section of the gland, you can see that it has two distinct zones. The adrenal medulla zone is at the center, which is surrounded by adrenal cortex zone enveloped in a fibrofatty capsule. Each adrenal gland lies within the renal fossa, which also surrounds the kidneys. The two distinct parts, that is the medulla and cortex, have unique functions secreting different hormones. The outer adrenal cortex is the largest zone of adrenal gland. It is divided into 3 separate zones from outside to inside. The zona glomerulosa, the zona fasciculata, and the zona reticularis. The mnemonic GFR can be used to memorize the orders of the zones. Each zone is responsible for producing specific hormones, which will be described in the next part of this video series.